Hi everyone. So today we have with us Sandarbh Jain, All India rank 398 in CLAT 2026. Huge congratulations, Sandarbh.
Thank you, ma'am.
How's the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है इतना अच्छा रैंक लाके?
Am I feeling very excited? It's very good. I can't explain in words.
Great, great. So before we start, one thing that I would like to mention about Sandarbh is Sandarbh has always been a very disciplined and focused kid. मतलब अभी तक so Sandarbh was part of our 2 year program, right? And अभी तक जितनी classes हुई, except one, Sandarbh has not missed out, did not miss out on a single class and a single mock. So that's like commendable. And one thing that surely is a learning from Sandarbh is discipline. You're disciplined, it takes you a long, long way. So, Sandar, please let us know about your success recipe and could you please describe your entire preparation strategy?
Yes, ma'am. So it started 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I joined CL. At the starting, I was feeling very nervous that I was giving CLAT and it was a very huge exam. I was doubtful about myself. Then slowly I developed confidence. I
Correct.
started getting mocks, practice papers, and passages.
So, with practice, you eventually got there.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे पढ़ते थे दिन में कितना टाइम देते थे for CLAT? How was your schedule like?
नॉट गिविंग टाइम इज इक्वल आई मीन आप 2 घंटे में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ सकते हैं चाहे आपको क्वालिटी पे फोकस करना है क्वांटिटी पे नहीं.
That's a very good thing that he
यस.
said. Focus on quality and not quantity. It is not necessary कि आप 7 7 8 8 घंटे पढ़ो. ज़रूरी ये है कि 2 घंटे पढ़ रहे हो और उस 2 घंटे में आप फ्रूटफुल कर रहे हो.
राइट मैम.
ठीक है तो न्यूज़पेपर्स का रोल नन ऑफ अस कैन डिनाई एंड न्यूज़पेपर इस पूरी जर्नी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते थे आप संदर?
हिंदू.
द हिंदू. ओके. एंड हाउ डिड यू गो अबाउट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर?
फॉर पैसेजेस आई रीड एडिटोरियल्स that has very good vocab
ओके.
and I read headlines.
Headlines. Okay. ठीक है. So editorial and obviously not only helps you with GK but like Sandar mentioned with vocabulary also with speed reading. Reading की एक habit develop होती है and habit के साथ साथ फिर वो speed develop होता है और अगर हम पूरे paper का nature देखें तो it is reading based, right? Every section is more or less reading based. Okay, okay, okay. When we talk about Sandarbh, I clearly remember during one of our PTMs we met and you were very worried about your English scores.
Yes, ma'am.
And slowly and gradually improved काफी ज़्यादा English में. So your graph went from here to here. So how did that happen?
Ma'am, I started maintaining a vocabulary
Okay.
from Hindu. The words I didn't know, I got their meanings and wrote them in a diary. This
Okay.
helped me a lot.
और उसको यूज भी करते थे ऐसा तुम बता रहे थे कि कभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठे फैमिली के साथ बैठे तो यूजिंग those words
Yes,
so that you could retain them.
in writing also and speaking also.
Okay, so maintaining a vocabulary diary was what Sandarbh did, and that actually helped him a long way. Okay, now if we talk about mocks in the entire process, obviously we know how important mocks are, and more than taking mocks, we know that how important mock analysis is.
Yes.
So mock देते थे, कोई भी mock miss करा था अभी तक?
No.
और you took all the mocks, तो ये तुम्हारे
Okay.
बारे में एक बहुत अच्छी खासियत थी कि you did not miss out on any mock.
Thank
So
you.
how did you go about the mock graph and the analysis part of it?
Yeah, initially my marks were very low. It was around 50s.
Okay,
Then in gradually got to 60s, then 70s.
okay, okay.
At one time it fluctuated between 60s, 70s.
Okay.
Then at last I got 80s. And in
Okay.
the CLAT I got in 90s.
ओके दैट्स परफेक्ट. सो कैसे एनालाइज करते थे अगर हम सेक्शन वाइज बात करें मॉक में?
First I will check all the answers.
ओके.
The answers which were wrong, I would analyze them. I would read the explanation of the answers in the answer key.
ओके.
And the questions which I left in GK, I would study them more
ओके.
about the
ओके.
topics in GK.
सो फिगरिंग आउट कौन सा टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ा, गोइंग बैक, रीडिंग, चेकिंग द आंसर्स, एनालाइजिंग. एनालिसिस में कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते थे संदर्भ?
Around half an hour.
हाफ एन आवर. ओके. मतलब पर सब्जेक्ट 20 25 मिनट्स पर सब्जेक्ट लेके अराउंड 2 आवर्स का प्रोसेस आपको लग जाता था. सो मतलब आप जितनी मतलब मॉक दे रहे हो दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. कितने मॉक दे दो, एनालिसिस नहीं कर रहे हो, वुड नॉट टेक यू एनीवेयर. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू टेक द मॉक्स एंड ऑल्सो डू द एनालिसिस.
Yes.
ओके संदर्भ, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू वुड बी इस पूरे प्रोसेस में आई एम श्योर स्ट्रेस भी होता होगा बिकॉज
Yeah.
obviously school है, then you have to perform well in school, you have to perform here, you have to take mocks. How did you balance the entire stress thing and sorry manage the entire stress thing during the process and on the D day exam के दिन? How did you manage that?
I only thought I not only thought about the results. Thought about the process. I enjoyed it.
Oh, wow. That's a very good thing
Yes.
that he mentioned. He did not think about the results. He
Think about the
trusted the process
process.
and he enjoyed it. So, very important that you actually trust the process and enjoy it. Yes. And
I don't focus on the marks. I focus on how can I improve them,
oh, wow.
what can I do.
ओके
That's
ग्रेट तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है कि कितना मार्क्स आएगा प्रोसेस को ट्रस्ट करो प्रैक्टिस करते रहो कंसिस्टेंट रहते रहो
yes,
एंड इवेंचुअली यू विल ऑब्वियसली गेट देयर डी डे के दिन स्ट्रेस हुआ था उस दिन
yes, ma'am.
कैसे हैंडल
From
करा
the
उस स्ट्रेस
very
को
morning,
ओके
it was
गड़बड़
very
गड़बड़
stressful.
गड़बड़ गड़बड़ कुछ कुछ स्ट्रेसफुल
हाँ.
सो हाउ डिड यू डील विद द स्ट्रेस
I did not deal with the stress. जब मैं एग्जाम हॉल में जाके बैठा तब मैंने थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स किया, ब्रीथिंग,
ओके डीप ब्रीदिंग
डीप
ओके
ब्रीदिंग,
एंड स्टेइंग काम
staying
इज द
calm.
की
Yes.
क्योंकि अगर आप काम नहीं रहोगे ज़्यादा सोचोगे तो जो आपको आता है वो शायद आप अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाओ सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू stay calm in the entire process.
Yes.
One message, Sandarbh, to all the law aspirants out there who want to appear for CLAT, ALET, who want to pursue law as a career. एक message, एक piece of advice आपकी तरफ से.
Just be consistent, be disciplined, and regularly attend mocks and classes.
Be consistent, be disciplined, regularly attend mock and classes. And I think coming this from Sandarbh, अब ये बहुत actually इसका sense समझ में आ रहा है. So one guy who was super disciplined in the process, never ever gave up, attended all the classes. I remember him not only attending all the offline classes but also coming for all the mock analysis classes, not missing out on any single thing. तो इसने अपने schedule को बिल्कुल इस तरीके से सेट करा था कि अगर इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है तो टू लुक इनटू दिस एंड आई कैन नॉट मिस दिस.
Yes, ma'am.
So staying consistent is the key. Okay, my last question to you, Sandar, would be what would be the role of career launcher in your entire preparation journey?
Career Launcher helped me in maintaining discipline and consistency.
Okay.
They give me mocks which are very useful, questions are very resourceful, and practice sheets, and especially the teachers give personal attention. They
Okay.
solve my doubts.
Great, great, great. Glad to know, Sandar. And we're super proud of you. We hope wherever you go, come out of flying colors.
Thank you.
And congratulations again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I would like to invite Sandarb's mom. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Huge congratulations to you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
कैसा लग रहा है? Sandarbh has secured such amazing rank. So how's the feeling, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very proud to Sandarbh and their teachers too, ma'am. I'm feeling very proud.
सक्सेस इज योर्स मैम. आपने इतने अच्छे से एक एक स्टेप पे संदर्भ का परफॉर्मेंस उसकी एक्टिविटी मॉनिटर करी है एंड आई थिंक नथिंग कुड हैव बीन पॉसिबल विदाउट दैट.
Ma'am, thanks to you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
I
you.
still remember one of our PTMs where you were little worried about his English
English,
scores.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
एंड कुछ इसको चीजें बताई गई थी कि ये करो एंड देन यू वर वेरी पर्टिकुलर. संदर्भ आपको करना है, आपने फॉलो अप करा.
बिल्कुल मैम, थोड़ा
So-
सा फॉलो अप करना जरूरी है, थोड़ा सा
नहीं,
पुश
नहीं,
करना भी
definitely, बहुत
जरूरी है
जरूरी
बच्चे
है.
को, पर लेकिन आई एम फीलिंग टोटली प्राउड मैम.
Great, ma'am. Great. The success is yours and
Okay.
it's time to celebrate.
Thank
So
you.
congratulations to you
Thank
too,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Congratulations again.
Thank
And once a CLite, always a CLite. Feel free to come to Career Launcher anytime. And I'm sure you'll rock in college too.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.